there.
Do you have everything?
Victor, what time does my train leave?
Oh, here. See your ticket? It leaves at 12:35.
From where? Which platform?
Agatha, remember, you need to take the underground to Waterloo. And then you'll have to look at the monitors to see on which platform the 12:35 leaves for Portsmouth. Okay?
How long is the trip from Waterloo to Portsmouth?
It's about an hour and a half.
And at Portsmouth I get off?
Yes, you take the ferry to Ryde on the Isle of Wight.
What time is the ferry?
Here, you have an open ticket, which means you can take any of the ferries.
Well, how often do they run?
There's one at 14:45, 15:15, 15:45, and 16:15. They leave every 30 minutes.
And how long is the...
It's about a quarter of an hour.
Oh, well, that's easy.
Yeah.
And you can sightsee in Portsmouth for a while. There's the tower, the quays.
The keys?
Yes, it's near the port.
Oh.
Oh, the quays. Yes! There are excellent restaurants and shops there, I think.
Is Portsmouth a nice place?
Yes, Portsmouth's a lovely town.
I may go to the quays for afternoon tea.
Harold says he'll be at the hotel at about 7.
Oh, yes! I'll have plenty of time.
You enjoy yourself.
Oh, can I leave my luggage somewhere when I go to the quays?
I don't know. There should be a luggage room at the station or the ferry.
Perfect.
I hope you have a great weekend.
The weather this weekend is supposed to be fine.
That's fortunate.
Yes, you'll be able to walk around.
And what are you two doing this weekend?
Oh, I'm working and I want to go to see a museum or an art gallery.
There's a good exhibition on at the Tate Modern.
Oh.
Victor, you should take Elena. Show her the sights.
I need to study for my final exams this weekend, Agatha.
Yes, you must study.
Okay, Agatha, let's get you to the station.
I'm ready.
I'll carry your bags for you.
Okay.
Bye, Elena. See you.
Bye. Have a nice time.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello there! Welcome back to your English lesson. In our story today, Elena is getting ready for her trip to the Isle of Wight. Oh, I love the Isle of Wight. It is so pretty. And all that lovely sea air. Would you like to go? Well, funnily enough, today we are looking at different means of transport like the train, the airplane, and we will also look at buying tickets and asking for directions. Excuse me, what time does the train arrive? I'm waiting for my mom. She's coming to visit me. Oops, and we mustn't forget the grammar. We are going to study phrasal verbs today. Verbs followed by prepositions like get on and look out. Right. Let's look at some means of transport. We can say, what time does the train leave? The train is my favorite way to travel. So relaxing. But I also like traveling by plane or airplane because it is so fast. What time does the plane arrive? I don't like traveling by bus or coach. Too uncomfortable. How much are 2 coach tickets to Southampton? But I like going by ferry, being surrounded by all that water. It's wonderful. Now, imagine that we are taking the train to London. Where do you want to visit? Well, of course, we must go to Buckingham Palace. Do you know how to get there? We can ask somebody when we arrive. How do I get to Oxford Street? I simply must buy a new pair of shoes. Then we can go to the Tower of London and the British Museum. Oh, what if we take a plane to New York? What would you like to visit there? The Empire State Building? Wall Street? Oh, I know. Let's go to the MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art, my favorite art gallery. Okay, let's have a look at today's grammar. Phrasal verbs. Elena has to get off the train at Portsmouth. Get off is a phrasal verb meaning to leave the train. Phrasal verbs are made of a verb plus a preposition. There are thousands of them in the English language. Let's look at some more. To come in means to enter. To sit down. I'm sure you've heard that one before. Come in and sit down. Then we have to try on. I want to try on that jacket. To look at. What are you looking at? To look for. I've lost my keys. Help me look for them. To look after. Can you look after my cat while I'm away? Or to look up. Look up this word in the dictionary. And to look out. Look out, there's a car coming. Useful expressions, aren't they? Well, I don't know about you, but I need a rest. Well done for working so hard. I'll see you next time. Bye.